TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 1 p.m. Eastern time. Let's check in on the market, and 3 hours left to go until that closing bell. We have the Dow currently up 8 points, trading 25,418. NASDAQ up 32 points, trading 73.63, and the S&P is positive by 2 points, trading at 27.50. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of those futures markets. Started off with the Dow 30, so we were up much higher after the opening bell. We trade to about 25,570. From there, we trade all the way down about 250 points, 25,314 for the low, and from there we're up about 100 points, 25,421 currently on the Dow 30 futures. NASDAQ 100, we'll get that chart up. S&P 500, similar pattern, up at about 2760. We trade below 2740 down to 2738, and from there we've gotten about a 12-point bump up to 2750. Gold contract, somewhat in a range today, currently trading at 1320.46. Crude oil, so quite a story here. Crude, you had EIA inventories coming in at 10:30 Eastern time, pretty much in line. Crude proceeds to plummet from above $63 all the way down to about $61.75, so call it about $1.25 to the downside. And from there, we are $1 higher since then over about the last hour. Yeah, call it an hour, 11:50. We were at 61.79, and right now we made it all the way almost 62.96, back up to $63. Currently trading 62.72. In terms of fundamental stories out there, you have Lowe's coming out with their earnings this morning, falling short of expectations. And to get into the number, they fell short on earnings per share, 74 versus 87. Meanwhile, they beat on revenue, beat on same-store sales, but compared to Home Depot, they came in at 4.1% same-store sales. Home Depot had come in at 7.5%. Let's jump over. So you got Lowe's, and they're getting quite a rebound. They were much lower on the open, as you can see, bouncing around in the pre-market session, trying to digest that news, and from there we're trading up, was as low as almost $86 right around the open, now down less than 5% on the day. Stay tuned, folks. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now at the Trader's Edge. 2 o'clock, we'll have Dave White with the Power Trading Hour, and then, of course, Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5 for the closing bell with the Tom O'Brien Show, and I'll talk to you next hour for a top-of-the-hour update at TFNN.com. Have a great afternoon.